Hello guys, hope you're all doing well. So do you want to know about Shikiji reviews? So here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So please stay connected with us. So guys, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end to find out how to get your money back. And guys, people from United Kingdom are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and do not miss out any points. So now we'll start with discussing about the website's type and the products they deals with. So this is an online shopping site which deals with beauty products, then drinks, sports products, motors, books, cosmetics, decorations, makeup, and many other products. So guys, if you want to check out these products, you have to visit to their official site. So next we'll check their payment method. For that you have to go to the returns. Then scroll it down and here they have given out the payment methods. So guys, you can pay through PayPal, Visa, MasterCard or American Express. Also, if you want to know about the shipping timing, go to the returns and here they have given their delivery timing. So they mentioned that the estimated delivery timing is always referenced in all products, and they have also mentioned that it usually takes 2 to 3 business days for domestic shipments and the international timing is 5 to 14 business days. So you can check this out, guys. So now guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. So now we'll talk about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So guys, this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. And about the domain information, this website was registered on 9 of November 2013 and it will expire on 9 of November 2022, which means this website is quite old and hence it can be trusted. So now if you want to know about their About Us details, this website has not given their About Us information. So next we'll go to the contact details. For that also you have to go to the returns and here they've given the email address. Also the email address name does match the domain name, which is a positive sign of this website, and they've also given their physical address, but this physical address does not match. We have checked, it seems like they have given someone else's address. So next guys, if you want to know about the social media presence of this site, we have checked and this website does have social media presence. It has got social media presence over Instagram and on Facebook, and we have checked the amount of followers as well. So on Instagram it has over 1,000 followers and on Facebook it has over 8,000 followers. So now we'll check the written and refund policy. So guys, about the written, they mentioned that there are 2 kinds of policies depending on the circumstances. So if the product did not arrive or it arrived broken, so in this case they will offer you full refund, and they mentioned that you have to message them in the next 60 days after the arrival of the order. And if the product arrived and you want to return it, so they mentioned that if the order arrived correctly, they will offer you full refund once the product arrives to the facilities, and you can start the process in the first 7 days after the order is delivered. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. So now guys, talking about the Shikiji reviews, we have found reviews on Trustpilot with a 2.7 rating and there are mixed reviews. And the trust score of this website is 66% and the business trust ranking is 100%, which is a good sign. And the content quality also seems fine. So in the conclusion of the Shikiji reviews, this website appears to be a legit website. This website is very old. It has got reviews, it has got social media presence, and the trust score is good. So it seems like a legit website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.